the mighty C-17 Globemaster III, an engineering marvel designed for strength, speed, and adaptability. It's a symbol of power in the skies, trusted by the Air Force to perform critical missions around the globe. Yet, even this juggernaut is not immune to human error or the challenges of aviation. Today, we delve into the tragic crash of an Air Force C-17 that occurred just 40 seconds after takeoff. A crash that would send shockwaves through the aviation community, not because of a mechanical failure, but due to the risky maneuvers executed by the crew, a decision that cost lives and raised questions about safety and responsibility. The day began like any other. The crew was preparing for what seemed like a routine flight. The pre-flight checks were conducted, and the aircraft was cleared for takeoff. On board, experienced pilots and crew members who had flown countless missions. But as the engines roared to life, a series of decisions was about to unfold that would prove catastrophic. As the C-17 taxied to the runway, onlookers watched in admiration. This was no ordinary flight. It was a demonstration. The goal? To showcase the C-17's impressive capabilities. But in the quest to impress, the line between safety and danger was about to be crossed. The aircraft lifted off the runway, climbing steeply into the sky. It was a breathtaking display of power. But within moments, it became clear that something was wrong. The plane's nose pitched aggressively upward, a maneuver that demanded absolute precision and perfect execution. This was the first of two aerobatic maneuvers that would seal the aircraft's fate. The steep climb put immense strain on the engines and airframe, pushing the C-17 to its limits. It was a move that required flawless coordination, and any miscalculation could lead to disaster. The second maneuver was even more daring, a sudden banking turn, designed to showcase the aircraft's agility. But the C-17 was not a fighter jet. It was a heavy cargo plane. Such maneuvers, while visually impressive, were incredibly risky, especially at low altitude. In those critical 40 seconds after takeoff, the crew faced mounting challenges. The aggressive climb had robbed the plane of crucial airspeed, and the sharp bank further destabilized it. As the massive aircraft struggled to recover, it entered an aerodynamic stall, a condition where the wings can no longer generate lift. From the ground, spectators watched in horror as the C-17 began to plummet. The once majestic aircraft was now a helpless mass of metal hurtling toward the earth. In the cockpit, the crew worked desperately to regain control, but it was too late. The crash was devastating. In an instant, the C-17 struck the ground, erupting into flames. The loss of life was profound, and the aftermath left many asking, how could this have happened? The investigation that followed revealed critical details about the decisions made during that flight. It became clear that the maneuvers performed were outside the safe operating parameters for a C-17. The steep climb and sharp bank placed excessive demands on the aircraft, leaving little room for error. Human error was identified as the primary cause of the crash. The desire to demonstrate the plane's capabilities had led to the execution of dangerous aerobatics, disregarding the fundamental principles of flight safety. This tragic event serves as a sobering reminder of the importance of adhering to safety protocols, even in high-pressure situations. The C-17 is a remarkable aircraft, capable of extraordinary feats. But it is not immune to the laws of physics, nor to the consequences of poor judgment. The crash also highlighted the need for better training and oversight. Pilots entrusted with such powerful machines must be equipped with the knowledge and discipline to make decisions that prioritize safety above all else. Today, we remember those lost in the crash of the C-17. Their sacrifice underscores the risks inherent in aviation and the responsibility that comes with it. While the tragedy cannot be undone, it has led to changes in training, policies, and a renewed commitment to safety in the skies. As we look to the future, let this story remind us of the fine line between skill and recklessness, between courage and caution. The skies demand respect, and every flight is a testament to the dedication of those who navigate them.